Today we're going to make an easy wine rack that you mount under your cabinet. We're going to take a 1x6 and we're going to cut two pieces 17 inches. So now we set our table saw up and we're going to rip our 1x6 and we're going to take 1 inch off of it. And now we're going to lay out 4 holes that are 3 1/4 inches big, and they're going to be 3/4 of an inch apart. Okay, we've laid out for our 4 holes. We have 3/4 of an inch from the end, 3 1/4 inch hole, 3/4, and that's how we went all the way down. Now we'll drill out the holes. So we'll lay the board on top of the other, so we'll make sure they're identical. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole first so that our hole saw will line up. We drilled our pilot holes all the way through the other boards, so now they'll all line up. Now we've got our 3 1/4 inch hole saw that I picked up at Ace Hardware, and we're going to drill 4 holes through this board and then 4 holes through that one. We have another board underneath it that's going to be our sacrificial board we can drill into and it won't hurt anything. I decided to go ahead and cut like a little 45-degree angle on the end just to give it a little better look. Now we're going to sand all the rough edges. Now with the strips we cut off of our 1x6, we're going to make the braces for the top of our wine rack. We're going to cut them at 7 1/2 inches. And now we'll stain our pieces. Now we're going to apply a coat of clear enamel. Now we're going to take our 3 pieces that we cut at 7 1/2 inches and mount them to the top, and this is how we're going to mount it to our cabinet. And now we're going to mount it underneath our cabinet. And here's our finished wine rack. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Let us know if you want to see a tutorial with this star next.